Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage, the Shed, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard of my boy Dave? I call him TP from Kentucky, the Tesla picker. He's picking for a Tesla. Anyway, well, it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all that we picking the hood too. Yeah. Sorry for the delay, y'all, but I felt like delaying this morning. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all, I just want to tell y'all, this is a what sold video. I sold 11 items, and I'm just going to go through them right quick. But first of all, I want to say that I've been getting these things from the Postal Service saying that my posters wasn't right. And I've been wondering why. You know what I'm saying? I've been picking priority mail on my, when I mail stuff, I pick priority mail. So I use one of their boxes. And now I've been doing this for a while, and it's been costing me money, and I didn't realize that. But the priority mail in the flat rate boxes is start off at $18 or something like that. So I've been using their boxes for some of my stuff. So they come back and they charge my account more money because of the, I guess because of the box or something. I don't know. All I know is that sometimes it'd be $5 more, it'd be like $6 more, and stuff like that. So I was wondering what was going on. So I'm going to start making my own boxes and order my own boxes and just doing straight priority and not, looking at the other stuff. That's what I'm going to start doing. And, hopefully you guys, if you're getting charged more, you don't realize why. Like I had this one item, I thought I was paying $7 shipping, and I used one of the flat rate boxes. And it came back that I owed them like $7. And I'm like, what the? So they took it out of my account. And I didn't know what was going on. I know I weigh my stuff, so anyway, whatever. If y'all know what the problem is, if y'all went through the same stuff, then let me know what's going on. But I'm making my own boxes. As you can see today, I Frankensteined a whole lot of boxes because I'm not using this stuff no more unless it's something really, really expensive. Then I use it for that. Anyway, starting off, y'all. I sold this Vonage. It's a Vonage router. I had this on there for a while. I want to say about 2 months. This sold for $14.90. I think I charged shipping and handling. I'm not sure. I think I charged like $2 or $3 shipping and handling. Whatever. But anyway, $14.90. I sold a Game Boy game. Brand new. You guys seen me with these before. They're on eBay. I got them brand new. I bought them a long time ago. But I put this on there. It's like a jet fighter game for Game Boy. Brand new. $22 plus $2 shipping and handling. This I just bought the other day. Microsoft Pandora's box. These sell good. If you ever get the Pandora's box, just about the sixth one I done sold. These sell really good. I sold this. I'm sorry. This is I'm sorry. I'm tripping, y'all. This right here is a Barbie game that I bought the other day. I bought a whole lot of computers, CD-ROMs, and this one of them that I put on the other day. This was $22. I paid $1 for it. And I think I got one that's worth $35. I haven't sold it yet. But I paid $1 for like probably about 30 CD-ROMs for the old Windows 95, stuff like that. Anyway, this is a Barbie game. It's sold for $22. Okay. You all know I buy sunglasses. I buy glasses for $1. I told y'all to go look for them glasses, look through them. I paid $1 for these. These sold for $18.50. These Oscar de la Renta sunglasses. I paid $1 for them. I made $18. I mean, I sold them for $18. $1, $18. Okay, this right here is a little Walkman radio. I think I showed y'all on that one of my other videos. It's a little Walkman radio. Real little. Anything Walkman sells. It's got Sony Walkman on it. It sells. I don't give a damn what it is. It could be a booger. I don't give a damn what it is. Sony Walkman, booger. Oh, Sony Walkman. Just Sony Walkman snot ball. Whatever. Anything with Walkman on it. And Sony sells. And did I say the price? $18.40. I think I paid 50 cents for that. This right here, it's another pair of glasses. These are Parade. And some of these companies I've never heard of before. So when I pick them up, I used to just buy all of them because they was $1 a piece. Then I go home and research them. That's why I got cases and cases of glasses. But anyway, now when I go, I look up the name. Any kind of funny name, I look it up and it's worth money. You know what I'm saying? I sold some stuff the other day. I ain't know the hell the name. I never heard this company before in my life. Sold it for $130 a pair of glasses. I paid $1 for. But anyway, so these are a company called Parade, and these some nice little women glasses right here. I sold these for $42. $42. I paid $1 for it. Y'all look at those glasses. They worth some money. And if you find, I couldn't think of the last time, but if you find some Cartier or something like that, you're talking about thousands of dollars. They don't look at the name of them glasses. They just throw them in the thing and they put a tag on it saying they're $1. I'm just saying, y'all need to look at these glasses because I'm looking for some Cartier glasses. That's what I'm really looking for. The big payoff. These were $42. That's how much I sold them for. $42. You suck. Sorry, the stuff just fell. Okay. This right here is some Star Wars like postcards. A big box of them. I sold these for $20.30 plus $8 shipping and handling. Okay? Star Wars. Anything with Star Wars sell too. This right here, yeah. This is a Star Wars droid. I bought this the other day and put it on there. It's a droid for $22. I lost on this one because I had to pay shipping. It's about $7 shipping or something like that. But I don't know why I didn't put shipping on there. But sometimes you snooze, you lose. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I forgot to put shipping on there. Usually I ask for $2 or $3 or something. I forgot to do it on that one. Sometimes you lose. My beard look messed up, don't it? I'm trying to grow it back, y'all. And I'm trying not to cut this. I'm trying to let this grow out with this. So that's why I look all funny looking. I'm trying to let my beard grow out because, you know, I play Santa Claus in the wintertime. I play Santa, so I got to let my beard grow. Right, starting right now. Okay? Y'all gonna laugh at me because I can't say this name. Curiosity Pilano. Colored ball game. From Italy. These things are from Italy. And I've never seen them before. But it's a game that I bought for $2. I sold it for $32.50. See how I Frankenstein that box? $32.50 is what they paid for it. And plus shipping, $10 shipping and handling. It's just a game where you shake it and the ball's going these little slots. So I don't know what the big deal is. But I paid $2 for this. Y'all know I paid $2 for my games. These are brand new. I got another one. It's the same, made by the same company. It's made by the same company, but it's a different shape and stuff like that. Okay, this I had on there for a long time. On eBay for a long time. This is a Barbie jam guitar. Oh. Barbie jam guitar. I think I sold this for $35. Plus, I think it's $5 shipping and handling, something like that. But anyway, see that Franken box? I'm just saying, I Frankenstein boxes now because I'm trying to save money. They ain't double charging me. But anyway, this is a Barbie guitars. You know, them Guitar Heroes and stuff like something like that. It's come with 2 games. So $35 plus $5 shipping and handling. Then the big ticket, excuse me, what the hell was that? Then the big ticket item that I sold is, you know, that book I showed y'all the other day? The only one on there was $220. One sold for $199, and I paid $1 for it. I just sold this for $150, free shipping. $150, free shipping. I don't give a damn. I paid $1 for it. $150. I'm just saying. I don't know what to tell y'all. You suck. Packages keep falling. And they suck. They shouldn't fall. And that was the last package. I mean, that was the last thing I wanted to show y'all. That was $150. Have you guys been having problems with eBay? You know, when you sell something and eBay don't take it off, then people rebuy it. I sold a game, PS3 game, brand new game. Somebody bought it, and I was looking for it. I said, I knew I sold that game, but I was looking for it, and I couldn't find it. And then I looked it up on my sold, and it sold. So I screenshot the picture and sent it to the guy and said, you know, I don't know what's wrong with eBay. I don't know what's going on, but I sold this game, and I don't have it no more. So I'm going to give you a refund. So that's what I said. So I gave the guy a refund. And trying to see what... anyway, I gave the guy a refund. And that's it. But I had to go through all the doggone... my stuff that's listed. And find everything that I didn't... It was like 100 and some items that's still listed on there that I sold already. So I had to delete all that. But anyway, I just wanted to see if you guys are having the same problem. That's all. And if you are, just let me know in the comments or whatever. But I don't have, today I didn't find nothing that I'm not going to sell. So we're not going to have that segment today. But I will do it the next video. So, you know, you guys, you know, I hate that the justice died, you know, or whatever, because she was a good woman, I guess, from what I heard, what I seen. But, you know, you got to just keep stepping. You can't keep crying over stuff. Like, the justices shouldn't be politicized. Anyway, people say they're not, but they are. How can you say a conservative judge is conservative if he's not conservative? I mean, how can you say that? These judges are on there for a reason. They're on there to help people's agenda. And they should just go by the law. But they don't, because most of them, they're conservative or either liberal, whatever. But a judge shouldn't be labeled for nothing like that. So a judge is supposed to abide by the law, period. No matter if he's conservative or liberal. But I don't understand if you saying a judge should, do his job. A judge should be impartial. But then you, at the same time, you're saying they are conservative and liberal. I don't understand that. I never understand that. They should just abide by follow the law, whatever the law says. It shouldn't be no conservative or no liberal on no judge as judges. They should follow the law. They shouldn't be getting rid of laws that they disagree with, because they're supposed to protect the law. Period. But anyway, y'all wear y'all mask, and don't forget what everybody else say. Wear your mask, protect yourself. You know what I'm saying? And I just want to say that, you know, I can't help it. I got to say it. Ooh, I almost forgot again. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thumb down. I don't care about thumbs, whatever. Subscribe and tell your buddies and everybody come look at my videos. And then I got to say that, woo, we picking the hood too. Yeah, peace.